Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 4th of September, 2023. Here to talk about Shopify, because if you guys continue to watch the news about this business, you may have already heard that they have partnered with Amazon. Buy with Prime. Yes, they are now going to integrate into their platform the ability for individuals to transact with Amazon. You guys can see right here from the article from CNBC, Shopify has reached a deal with Amazon to integrate the company's Buy with Prime service into Shopify's app ecosystem. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? The chart will ultimately give us the answers. Also, merchants will be able to tap into Amazon's Prime loyalty program and speedy delivery. Is that what Shopify needs? They need to make customer satisfaction an utmost priority? I would think so. In order to have longevity in any business, your customers always needs to be satisfied. Now, off that news, check this out. In Shopify, like I told you, ultimately the market would tell you whether or not this is good news or bad. How did the market take this information? Because Amazon went up like 2% on the day. Shopify, though, went up almost 11% on August the 30th, 2023. Now, a lot has changed since that one-day move. Now, you got people in the market who thinks this is a positive catalyst, but then you got other individuals who don't think so much. Look at this article from Seeking Alpha. Julian Lin, he's trying to state that the market should not be up in Shopify. Why would he do that? Why would he explain that the valuation is too aggressive? All because of the competitive landscape. Maybe that's why Shopify went ahead and did what it had to do with the deal with Amazon, because it knows that the competition, the landscape is too competitive. So we got to do things to make sure that we are competitive as well. Maybe Julian just doesn't get it, but he's only one individual in a basket full of market participants, which is why I don't focus in strictly on one article, two articles, even thousands and upon thousands of articles, because we got hundreds of thousands of market participants buying and selling Shopify every day the market is open. Now, take a look. My chart hasn't changed since I did a price prediction in Shopify. I was looking for the market in Shopify to go down, and it did. But how low did it really go? Did it go all the way down to our $46 price target? No, it didn't, which is why I give you 3 targets to see where the market is going to move. The first target, the price came here, and that was the low. That was it. Like I said, we're all thinking in games of probabilities of where price is on the way to move. This was the low into the market in Shopify right here on August the 18th. I get it. But we definitely have seen some changes occur ever since this information was released to the public for Shopify. Is this market now bullish? That is what we're going to talk about right now off of the chart and nothing else. I'm not going to give you my opinion about what I think about this means for Shopify stock price, because it's inevitable. It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter what I think. It doesn't matter what you think. The only thing that matters, it doesn't even matter what Julian thinks. It matters what the market thinks, period. So why focus on anything outside of the market? So let's talk about it. Let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction here. If you guys didn't get on that first target in Shopify on the 18th of August, that would have garnered around 7.34%. If you work out on the close of on the last trade on the 31st, or even on the 1st of September, you'll be down 21%. That's how fast these markets move. Okay. Now let's talk about it though, because that one day of seeing Shopify go up 11% has now brought price, check this out, back in line with the trend. Boom. What is there for us to talk about, right? The overall market here in Shopify is still bullish off of this one day of trading. I don't have to go into what other people thinks. I don't have to go into the valuation of Shopify. The market is already speaking. And that one day move literally brought us back up to where we were back in July. So now let's look at this though. Okay. I'm zooming out the chart because we got to identify this high that came into the market in Shopify right here. Okay. So we're going to draw this line to the left And we want to see where's the last time the market in Shopify traded at this price. And it was all the way back here in April of 2022. So it's been a year. This area right here is where sellers currently reside. Okay. So that means as the market in Shopify attempts to approach this price level again, we need to be keen and aware that this is where sellers could potentially be again, because that was the last time back in 2022 the market in Shopify went down. So again, be prepared for that again once more. So now let's look at this. We're going to extend this over because this area is going to be seen as resistance into the market in Shopify. So I don't want to hear any questions. Why did Shopify go down? Well, this is the reason right now. We're explaining to you that this is where sellers reside. Okay. This area right here on a shorter time frame, zooming in closer, is also an area of selling. All right. So now let's see what is the probable chances of us seeing price break above this $70 to $71 area. What's the likelihood that it's going to do it? Okay. Let's look at the market in Shopify on a weekly time frame. And again, like I tell you, charts don't lie. What do we see on this weekly price bar? What do we see? Yeah, you get a push to go up bar. That is strength right there off of a weekly time frame. You really don't see indicators triggered off of a weekly chart, but we got one now. And it's up there towards our area of resistance. See, the weekly bars right here was just an opportunity for the market to test how many people were really trying to sell their shares. Here's Shopify on the monthly time frame. Okay. Are we finished with seeing the price in Shopify go up? Where are we trying to go? Where's the market ultimately? Where's their aim? Where they're trying to shoot at? Because currently, the month of August, we did see the market go down. Like, we can tell visually that the price did go down, but the market was able to recover all of those losses and ended up where it started for the month of August. So now this is the monthly chart. Could we possibly see price in Shopify run to 77, 77.50? What about 87.50? Here it is on the 3 months. Look at Shopify on the 6 months. Take a look at this on the 3. Now, 4 days, 5 hours, right? Today, the market's not open in Shopify. But let's say at the conclusion of this week, the market in Shopify looks the way that it looks now. I would definitely still be bullish. Yep. So give it 4 days and 5 hours. And if this 3-weekly price bar looks the same that it looks right now, you have to anticipate that the market is still bullish in Shopify. Same thing with the 2 weeks time frame. Give it 4 days and 5 hours. So what I'm going to do though, without wasting your time, we're going to look for the price in Shopify to continue to be bullish. This is my first target there. Well, ultimately my first target is going to be at the last point that sellers initially came through, which is around 72. Okay. This is my second target right there around 77.50. I would do a third target, but it could be far away because it would be around this area here, like 88.50 or something like that, $89. That may take a couple of months, maybe. Let's see from where the price is. That's about 33% move. So yeah, I'm not going to add that to the chart now because many of you will say the market is not that bullish. The market is not that strong. But however, we got these other two targets that we can actually put on the chart and anticipate the market move to the upside. So let me show you. Okay. This is what we're working with. We're going to look for the price in Shopify to continue to go higher. That first target is right here at $70.67. That gives us around 6.67% there. And then our second target is going to be around 77.75, which gives us around 16.71. Okay. Now, all in all, As long as Shopify's price, check this out, stays above this trend line, the market is still bullish, period. I don't care what anyone says. And currently that's where price is. So I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I drop price predictions without causing any confusion, because it doesn't have to be confusing. You don't have to use all of these indicators over here: fib retracement, trend-based fib extension, fib channel, fib time zone, all of these fibs, pitch fan, a Gann box, Gann square fix. All of that literally does not benefit us. All you have to do is pay attention to what people are doing with their own money. That is what's actually moving the price, not these technical indicators. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Join the team. Hit the like button. Share and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.